felt the home remedies used before the emergence of anti-dandruff shampoo? Yeah, it is a big comedy like before Christ and after Christ, isn't it? So let us discuss about the rice water. So how rice water help us internally? So we know that it contains protein, vitamins and energy. So whenever you are having any fever, any diarrhea, any indigestion, what is a good elixir actually? Yeah, rice water. It is very helpful because it provides energy at that time. But I will not recommend you whenever you are having diabetes and it is containing excess of starch content also. So it is a very good if you are looking for, if you are having dehydration, if you are having diarrhea. Next, if you are not at all feeling energetic, we know because of some of the people may be trying different type of diet plan to reduce their weight and all. So first 1 to 2 days they will be feeling a low energy. In this low energy level also what you can do, take a little rice water, put a little salt in it and then you can take it. So let's check how it is good for your hair. So we know ages ago our grandparents what they have been using, they were using this rice water only. So why they have been using rice water? Because the rice water as they were using, they were having more strong and healthy hair. They were not having the problem of dandruff and they were not having easily this premature graying problem and all. So that much it is acting like a elixir or nectar. So why and how it is helping? Actually, it can be used in 3 forms. So what are the 3 forms where it can be used? And what all it is containing? It is containing vitamin B, vitamin C and vitamin E. Not only that, it is containing a lot of antioxidants also. So these antioxidants and this vitamin E, it is again giving your hair a lustrous appearance. It can be used in 3 forms. So what all forms we can use it? First, which form we can use is that if you are taking a freshly prepared rice water, along with this freshly prepared rice water, add equal amount of water and you can use this for washing your scalp or hair. You can apply it on your scalp for 20 minutes and then go and take a head bath. Don't apply anything over the hair for morning to evening. It is not at all fair because it will be causing you respiratory tract infections and cold and sinus in the future. And next, how you can use is that you can take fermented rice water. So what's the specialty of fermented rice water? Fermented rice water, it is actually very helpful because it contains a lot of healthy enzymes. And it is also more effective because it is matching with our scalp pH. So it is having an anti-dandruff property, antimicrobial property also. It can clean our scalp like anything. We know in this winter climate, many of them are suffering from dandruff problems. So in this dandruff problem, don't forget to use this elixir. That is this rice water. And if your scalp is so dry, what you can do is that just add a little almond or coconut oil along with this rice water and you can wash your scalp. So it can be much more helpful for you. And how is the third form how you can use this? We know when we are studying in hostel and all, it is not easily available for us this rice water. So let's do one thing. Take a little rice and pour a little water. After 6 to 7 hours, you can take this water and you can wash your hair with this water. It will be much more helpful for you. So again, I am reminding you, it is having an antimicrobial property, anti-dandruff property, and it cleans your scalp, makes your hair follicle so strengthy and so strong. And also help in the scalp hair growth also. So it make your hair look more thick and give you more lustrous property also. Here, so these are how the rice water, how it is acting more effectively on your scalp and your hair. And how it is acting on your skin. We know the Korean and the Japanese for their skincare, they used to do this. So why to use on the skin? We know after an age, most of us used to have laughing line and next main thing is fine line, then crow line. These are the signs of aging. Nobody like aging, isn't it? So here how we can use it? Actually, it can be used with a little water. you can put it in a spray bottle and you can spray it as a toner. When you spray it as a toner, it will be helping to reduce your pores. It can actually help your skin more smooth. It can actually glow your skin. So because of this property, the Korean and the Japanese people were including the rice water in their routine. So what we can do in our daily home routine? Here what we can do is that actually we can pour this rice water along with the water mixture in ice tray cube and we can keep in the freezer. Then at times we can just do a little massaging. For what? For reducing the pores and making our skin more clearer. So it is actually helpful in brightening your skin, reducing the pores, reducing the fine line, etc. for up to a period. Then after that what we can do, most of us hate suntan, isn't it? We all want vitamin D, but we don't like the suntan and all. So when we are fearing the suntan, let's prepare a toner with these two items and let's keep it in the fridge. Then after that what we can do? Actually we can spray it on our face, and after spraying it on our face what we can do is that we can, after 10 to 15 minutes, we can wash it out, and if you are applying any sunscreen lotion and all, you can apply it on your face and you can go out. You can see a lot of difference by doing this. So here are the benefits of rice water. Try this and tell me how it is helpful for you. If you have any questions, you can drop it in the comment box. So thank you dears. Have a nice day.